In this video, my wife secretly ordered me a bunch of Ohuhu art products to review, without telling me what's inside. So now I've got 2 mystery boxes from Amazon packed with creative tools I've never seen before, and both of us thought, what better way to kick off our big giveaway than by unboxing and reviewing these surprise picks with you. And then we spin the wheel, yes, the giveaway wheel, with over 100 entries from our legendary emoji hunt. Who's going to win? We'll find out soon. But first, opening these boxes with this beautiful Damascus steel knife, an early Christmas gift from my brother. I've always loved Damascus steel. Its wavy patterns, its craftsmanship, and honestly, it just makes unboxing feel epic. Let's begin. Let's start with the small box and leave the big, large mystery box for later. The first product, the Ohuhu gel pen set. You get 20 pens, 7 white, 3 gold, 3 silver, and 7 pastel colors. Sounds like a dream for artists who love adding clean, punchy highlights. But then reality hits. The pens feel cheap and super lightweight. And worse, all the caps are plain white, which makes it really hard to tell them apart. You either squint at the tiny core through the frosted plastic shell, or you swatch every time before using. Either way, it pulls you out of your creative zone. I tested them on black paper, sketching a shiny snow globe, inspired by the cozy vibes of Christmas and winter. And the truth? They skip badly, scratchy on paper. Ink breaks midline, and despite shaking them like crazy, they clog constantly. For comparison, here's my trusty Uniball white gel pen. Look at the consistency, the pigment, the flow. It's smooth like butter. Ohuhu version, it made my drawing look cheap, and that hurts to say. Message to Ohuhu, I know you can do better. These don't reflect the quality of your legendary markers, but I still believe in your potential. Moving on to something that made me go, what? This is the Ohuhu 50 color travel watercolor set. First off, just look at that butterfly-themed metal box. Beautiful, durable, and yes, it has a secure metal lock, so nothing spills in your bag. Inside, you're greeted with 50 stunning colors, 4 shimmering metallics, and on the lid, a water brush pen, a pencil, sharpener, eraser, sponge, and even an acrylic black marker. That one really caught me off guard. Now, the water brush pen, it's okay. Decent flow, but the plastic feels a little flimsy, not built for long-term use. As a bonus, it comes with a small watercolor paper pad. I used the swatch sheet included, and honestly, it's thin. Definitely not 300 gram quality, maybe around 120 gram. But let's talk color. The pigments are vibrant, smooth, easy to control. I tested full blends, gradients, and layers when I painted a prototype of a designer toy. Yep, sneak peek, that's coming in a future video. The shimmer shades kind of shy on white paper, but on black paper, they shine, especially when you tilt your drawing under light. The sparkle effect is real and rich. Overall, if you're a traveler, urban sketcher, or just starting your watercolor journey, this set is 100% worth it. Now let's move to the next and last item in the small box, the Ohuhu colored fine liner set. First off, the pack came factory unsealed. Classic Amazon repack drama. But hey, at least the pens made it. Inside, you get 11 colored fine liners and 7 black micro pens in different tip sizes. The ink flows well. The tip quality? Sharp and consistent, except for one issue. The brush pen in the set feathers a lot. The ink is too wet, and even on my regular sketch paper, the same paper I use in all my tests, it bleeds. As for the colored fine liners, most of them performed great, except the red one. That one skipped and felt dry. Again, maybe an issue from returned stock. Ohuhu also claims they're waterproof. Based on my test, not exactly. When you paint over them, the ink lifts slightly. But, with that said, for quick sketching, outlining, note-taking, and considering the price, these are actually solid for beginners or casual use. I used them to draw this, my celebration art for reaching 1,500 subscribers. Actually, 1,680 now. That's 1,680 amazing people who enjoy my art and videos. So I want to thank you all for your support. And you know what that means? It's time.
Hey everyone, before we spin, I want to take a moment to thank every single one of you. We've reached over 1,700 amazing subscribers, and that alone is a reason to celebrate. If you don't win today, please don't worry. There are more giveaways coming, and trust me, they are only getting bigger. Now, let's talk about the moment that every single one of you have been waiting for. Over 100 of you joined our emoji hunt challenge. You searched, you played, you supported this channel. And today, we are spinning and we are winning. So let's begin.
Let's start small and climb our way up to the grand prize, the full 120 marker set. First spin. It's the Ohuhu mini sketchbook. It's compact, elegant, and perfect for marker tests, quick sketches, or travel art. Congratulations! Second spin. This time we're scaling up. It's the double-sided marker pad. Spiral bound. It's a must-have for alcohol marker lovers who sketch daily and want space to explore both sides of every sheet. Congratulations! Alright, now it's time for the good stuff. Third spin. We're jumping into color now. It's the Ohuhu 24 skin tone marker set, brush and chisel tip. These are part of the Honolulu series and offer a beautiful variety of portrait-ready shades, from deep browns to soft peaches. Fourth spin, and we're getting pastel. This one's the Ohuhu 48 pastel marker set, one of the sweetest sets they've made. Soft, dreamy colors like lavender, peach, mint, and pink. Now we're getting serious, the fifth spin. Oh, this is big. It's the 72 color marker set Honolulu series. This set is powerful and versatile for all kinds of illustrations. Last, but definitely not least, the final spin and the grand prize. The Ohuhu 120 marker set, the full collection. This mega set includes every possible color combo, housed in a large black carry case. Chisel plus brush tips, stunning saturation, and buttery blending. Congratulations to all the winners. Please send me an email. The details are in the description below, so we can arrange your shipping and delivery. And once again, this is not the last giveaway. In fact, the next one, it won't just bring color to your desk, it'll bring transformation. We're here to spread art and happiness across the world. After that amazing celebration, let's get back to business, because now it's time to open the big mysterious box. What's inside? Oh my! It's the Ohuhu rotating bamboo organizer, made from real bamboo, and the quality? Spot on. It has 10 compartments, a carrying handle, and it spins a full 360 degrees. The rotation is smooth, quiet, and perfectly balanced. You can load it up with markers, pens, brushes, whatever you need, and it makes everything super accessible during an art session. But for me personally, I 3D print my own organizers, designed specifically for how I work. And honestly, the natural bamboo finish doesn't really match the style of my studio setup. Plus, it's a bit bulky for someone who likes things modular and minimal. But If you're building your dream art space from scratch, this is a fantastic starting point. Clean, solid, and way better than cheap plastic drawers. So, I hope this video brought you a little spark of joy. This channel, Medium Alchemist, isn't just about reviewing supplies or testing tools. It's about something bigger. It's about sharing creativity, about building a global circle of artists, dreamers, and people who just want to feel something real again. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been part of this journey, thank you. And if you're still watching right now, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to grow with us, because this isn't the last giveaway, it's not the last surprise, and it's definitely not the last time I'll try to reach your screen and leave a little art and a little magic behind. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative. This is the Medium Alchemist.